How to create a LinkedIn account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search LinkedIn. Open LinkedIn's official website, which will be this kind of screen. In here, you can sign in with email or simply click on Continue with Google. If you click on Continue with Google, click on your Google account and confirm it. After you have done that, automatically it will add your first name, last name, and email according to your Gmail account. Press on Agree and Join. After that, simply select your location. Then press on Next. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Add your most recent job title. Then add employment type and recent company.